You probably don't remember the first time you used AI. It wasn't a robot. It wasn't some futuristic gadget with blinking lights and a voice like HAL 9000. It was probably autocomplete. Maybe your phone guessed the word before you typed it. Maybe Spotify cued the perfect song after a heartbreak. Maybe your e commerce app whispered, others also bought this, and, eerily, it was exactly what you needed. All of it felt normal, ordinary, boring, even. But boring things often hide extraordinary systems beneath them. And AI's most powerful function, the one that's changing everything quietly, is inferencing, not training, not research papers, not the massive multi billion parameter models that make the headlines, just inference, the real time prediction, the moment when AI decides what's next. Let me explain it this way. Imagine walking into a room. You flip a switch. The light turns on. You don't think about the turbine spinning 100 miles away. You don't wonder which voltage transformer boosted the signal or how copper wires carried it. You just expect the light. And that's the magic of abstraction, the ability to hide layers of engineering beneath one seamless experience. This is what AI is becoming. Not the spotlight, but the wiring behind it. Invisible, essential, expected. When you ask a chatbot a question and it answers instantly, that's not training. That's AI inference. When your banking app flags a fraudulent transaction in a split second, that's inference. When your smart speaker hears play jazz and pulls up Coltrane in milliseconds, that's inference again. And you don't want to manage GPUs. You don't want to provision clusters or tune parameters. You just want it to work. Enter AI inference as a service. It's not just a cloud product, it's the new electricity, a utility layer for the intelligent internet. Just like startups don't build their own power plants, they won't build massive AI infrastructure either. They'll plug into inference services, platforms that abstract away the chaos of model serving, latency, scaling, and cost. And they'll focus on what matters: the customer, the outcome, the experience. That's what companies like SciFuture are enabling, offering serverless inferencing for speed, scale, and simplicity. No provisioning, no infrastructure headaches, just raw intelligence on tap. But here's the twist. For decades, we've trained people to believe value comes from the bottom, from harder, deeper, foundational work. We praised the people building the base layers, the algorithmic geniuses, the system architects. And yes, their work is real. It's essential. But the real world doesn't just reward depth, it rewards design. It rewards those who abstract, those who package complexity into elegant outcomes. The winners aren't always the ones digging tunnels, they're the ones building bridges. People say, oh, it's just a wrapper, as if wrapping complexity makes something less valuable. But let's think about this. Google is a wrapper around the internet. Apple is a wrapper around decades of hardware and interface design. Netflix is a wrapper around content licensing, delivery networks, encoding algorithms. Every modern product you love is a wrapper, a bridge between what's possible and what's usable. And now, AI inference platforms are becoming wrappers around models, compute, latency, data, and optimization. The economy doesn't run on complexity, it runs on clarity. In fact, capitalism itself is just a stack of wrappers. Each business relies on layers beneath it and simplifies it for the layer above. Starbucks doesn't grow coffee beans. It doesn't ship them. It doesn't roast them. But it abstracts all of that into a $5 lat. Simple, scalable, ubiquitous. That's not laziness. That's genius. It's design thinking applied at a global scale. And that's exactly how inference as a service works. It abstracts the AI supply chain. Model weights, latency optimization, hardware orchestration, throughput tuning, and lets businesses serve intelligence in a single transaction. Just like Starbucks serves coffee. So, why does this matter now? Because AI isn't slowing down, it's accelerating exponentially. More models, more data, more modalities, more demand, but also more complexity. And in this world, those who simplify will win. Those who create the smoothest experience will capture the most value. Just like Uber didn't invent cars, Airbnb didn't build hotels. You don't need to build the model. You just need to wrap it into something the world can use. That's the real game. That's AI inferencing as a service. Now let's get personal. If you're still trying to memorize facts, chase frameworks, or argue about who owns the base layer, you're playing yesterday's game. Because in the world of AI, knowledge alone isn't rare anymore. Access is, and abstraction is. Anyone can download a model, but very few can turn it into a product, a platform, a habit. The future belongs to those who wrap complexity into clarity. And they'll do it not with code alone, but with insight, empathy, and design. Because intelligence is becoming infrastructure. And infrastructure demands engineers, yes, but it rewards architects. And if you look closely, the real builders of this age aren't building from scratch. They're building on top. They're building beautiful wrappers. They're designing the topmost layers of the stack, the ones closest to the consumer, the ones that translate potential into value, and the ones that power the entire economy beneath them. So remember this, you don't need to be the first to build. You need to be the first to make it simple. You don't need to create complexity. You need to design clarity. You don't need to chase the deepest layer. You just need to be the clearest interface between what's possible and what's needed. And if you're wondering who's building this layer for the next generation of AI products, SciFuture AI is already ahead of the curve. With inferencing as a service, we've built a platform that wraps the world's most complex models into simple, scalable APIs designed for speed, resilience, and zero infrastructure burden. No servers, no orchestration, just intelligence, abstracted, accelerated, and available on tap. Because the future of AI won't be built from scratch, it'll be inferred in real time and delivered as a service. If this changed the way you think about AI infrastructure, subscribe. We are unwrapping the hidden layers of the intelligence economy, one idea at a time. If this changed the way you think about AI infrastructure, subscribe. We are unwrapping the hidden layers of the intelligence economy, one idea at a time.